everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. I'm Erin, and for today's video we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. Now my first Dollar Tree haul was pretty small, it was 10 items, and this one is equally as small because before I went to Dollar Tree I actually spent some money in Five Below, which I have posted that haul as well. So I decided to be a little bit cheap. Anyway, if you watched my first Dollar Tree haul, you know that I went to the Dollar Tree that was here in my town that I live in, and I didn't even know it was there, and it wasn't very great. They didn't have very great stuff. Well, let me tell you. I went to the one, not the brand new one that I had talked about in that video, but an older one in a different city that's near me, and it was so much better. They had so much more stuff. It was so much more organized, and they had a lot of things to choose from. So I think that'll be my Dollar Tree spot from here on out. I am going to check out that new one still, but I would prefer to go to the other one. And I think I'll probably just skip the one in my town altogether because the difference was seriously night and day. It was just cleaner, it was more organized, and they had nicer stuff. So we'll definitely be hitting that up instead of the one in town. But without further ado, I'll go ahead and show you what I got. So like I said, I got 10 items like I got before, so this should be pretty short and sweet. I'll start off with the real boring stuff first. So since I've been trying to do my makeup and trying different things with makeup lately, I need something to take it off my face because my skin is pretty sensitive. And I have found that my skin is getting dry if I use soap and water instead of like a makeup removing cloth. And I have some still that I use, but this Dollar Tree happened to have packs of them. So I went ahead and I got them. They're makeup removing cleansing towelettes. And it says to compare them to Neutrogena makeup removing cleansing towelettes. And it says that it dissolves all types of makeup, even waterproof mascara. So that's pretty awesome. And I'm going to try them out. Now like I said, I'm kind of on the fence because I do have sensitive skin. But I'm willing to give them a shot. And then if I break out, I'll just toss them because, well, they were $1 instead of, I think I paid like $4 or $5 for the other ones that I got from Target. So here they are. It's a little hard to see again because of my light and it's a shiny package. But they're just makeup removing cleansing towelettes. So I'm definitely excited with this find. I know it's a pretty boring thing, but I was happy to find it. Sticking with the makeup aisle, I found this super cute like chapstick. And it's supposed to be like Barks root beer. It says flavored lip moisturizer. And that's what that looks like, and I'm sure it will taste fabulous like root beer. So I'm pretty excited about that. So again, just a famous old-time root beer Barks chapstick. So I'm excited about that. So next boring item that's sitting on top. I have a small zoo, which I've said in several videos before, but for those who haven't been here, I'll share again. In addition to our 2 dogs and our ferrets and our fish, we have 3 cats. The cats are on a diet, so they don't get very many of these. The only one who's not on a diet is Mr. Brown, and that's because he's 16 and he's tiny anyway, and he's diabetic, and it's hard to actually keep weight on him. So within keeping his blood sugar levels correct, he's allowed to have some treats. So I remembered when I was out that we were running low on these, so I figured I'd check to see if this Dollar Tree had any treats for them. So I went ahead and I picked them up some Delitables center-filled cat treats, and they are wheat and soy free, which I don't think that matters for these cats. They don't have like a gluten intolerance or anything. And they're made in the United States and they're salmon flavored. I know, again with the shiny packaging, but here they are, the Delitables cat treats, and they are made in the US, and it is 3 ounces worth of treats, so I'm sure they'll enjoy these. I'll actually have to put them up so they don't try to chew through the bag to get to them because they are little piglets. So if you watched my other Dollar Tree haul video, you know that when I went there, I went looking for like some cute composition books, and all they had was like plain black and white normal ones. So I picked up one of those. And I've decided that I want to put like a whole bunch of stickers and stuff on it just to make it a little more fun. So the next couple of things are stickers. So the first one I got are made by Jot, and they are pop-up stickers, 28 count. They're super cute, and they are these little owls. I am in love with these. They are so freaking cute. I know it's a little difficult to see them with my ring light, but maybe if I get up real close. Look how cute that guy is in his little glasses. They're the cutest thing, and they're like little puffy pop-up stickers. So I thought those would be fun to put on the front and back of that notebook. Sticking on to the sticker train, I saw these and I had to have them. So if you watch some of my other videos, you know that I do have a couple different reef tanks or saltwater reef tanks in my house, and that is one of my hobbies that I really enjoy. So I love Disney anyway, but of course 2 of my favorite Disney movies are Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. And they had this 4-sheet sticker book with puffy stickers of Finding Dory stickers, and they are freaking cute. They have the puffy ones up front, and then they have pictures on the back of the other ones, and they're cute as well. So I'm going to put these on that composition notebook as well. I probably won't use all of these stickers that I got on there, but I'll use most of them, and then I'll figure out what to do with the rest of them eventually. But here is the Finding Dory stickers. As you can see, they're super cute. So I think it comes with the 1 sheet of puffy stickers and then 3 more sheets of just regular stickers. And the regular stickers have one of my favorite characters from the movie in there, Hank the octopus. I always thought he was cool. So the next is also more stickers. I know I went a little sticker crazy. These are by Jot, and it's a 50 count of glitter stickers. And I also just thought these were so cute. It's got like little insects and a rainbow and a smiling happy cactus and some caterpillars and a smiling bumblebee. And I'll see how well my camera does with focusing on this, but here they are. And again, sorry for the glare, guys, but without this light, my videos would look like crap. So, look how cute they are. I love these little cactuses and the little bumblebee and the caterpillars. And I like that little cactus. So again, I'll be using these on that composition notebook. Speaking of composition notebooks, they had the cutest notebooks in this Dollar Tree. I had to restrain myself from getting more than one because I just bought that other composition book and I haven't even started writing in it yet. But I saw this one and I had to have it. It was so cute. I actually found one at first that was beat up, and I was just going to buy the beat up one anyway because I thought it was cute. But then I found some not so beat up ones, so I was excited about that. And I knew that Dollar Tree had to have some kind of cute composition notebooks because if Dollar General has them, there's no reason why Dollar Tree shouldn't have them. So this composition book has like elephants and little mandalas on it, and I love it. I just love it. How cute is this notebook? It's just so, so cute. And it is by Jot. It has 100 sheets and, you know, just your regular old composition book. But I thought it was super cute and I definitely decided to pick it up. And honestly, when I am going to be going back in a couple weeks with my mom when she visits, and I know I'm going to end up picking up another one. They had a really cute paisley print one. So hopefully it's still there when I go back, because I'll probably end up picking that up too. And then I'll have a whole bunch of empty notebooks sitting around until I get around to thinking of stuff for other videos to put my research in. So that is that. Okay, so we're down to our last 3 things. And I forgot I should have done this when I was doing the other makeup stuff that I did. So I found this concealer and highlighter in Medium and Glow by ELF, which is Eyes, Lips, Face. And it says it's under eye concealer and highlighter. I'm not sure if the concealer is going to be too dark. I don't think it will be. It says it's medium, but it's pretty light. So I'm going to give it a try. Worst comes to worst, again, I paid $1 for it. My mom has a little bit darker skin tone than I do, so if it's too dark for me, I'll give it to her. There we go. Not a waste. But here it is. It's Eyes, Lip, Face, Under Eye Concealer and Highlighter in medium and glow. And that's what that looks like. So speaking of my mama, my boyfriend and I kind of started this trend where when we're having adult beverages, I tend to spill things a lot. And rather than waste a drink, I started buying tumblers. Well, my mom thought it was a great idea too, so we started buying her some. And unfortunately, with these tumblers, which I've done and he's done, and now my mom has done, if you drop them, they tend to crack. And eventually, you drop it one too many times and it's just donezo. So I was hoping to find, I had seen a couple other people haul the tumbler that had the little cactus on it that said I'm sharp, and I really wanted that, but they didn't have it there. But they had this one instead. So this is going to be part of my mother's Mama's Day gift. I got her a new tumbler, and it's got like these blue and lime green mandalas on it. It's super cute. See, super cute mandalas on it. And it's just a little tumbler. It is made by Greenbrier International, and it is a 14-ounce tumbler cup. So I know she'll like this, and obviously not putting out this video till after she gets her Mother's Day gift. And no, the cup is not just her Mother's Day gift. I'll be getting her other things in addition to just the dollar cup. Okay, so last but not least, I was excited to see this. And it's shiny, so again, it's going to be hard to show in my camera. And I apologize for that, but you'll just have to take my word on it that it's super cute. They have these little figurines that were around, and as you know, my two dogs are Boston Terriers. And I found a little Boston Terrier figurine. It is silver. It's like a shiny silver. Anyway, it's super cute. I'm going to put it on my desk here in my office because I love it. And this is it. I know it's super hard to see his little face, but just trust me, he's super cute. He's a little Boston Terrier, he has a little tail, and he's sitting. He's so cute! I love him. So yeah, this is the last thing, my super cute Boston Terrier figurine I found. Alright guys, so that's it for this Dollar Tree haul. I know it wasn't very big, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like my videos, and I will be sure to be doing some more hauls, of course, because who doesn't love to shop? So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see all my hauls and new videos that come out. And if you want to be notified about when my new videos come out, make sure you click that little bell next to the subscribe button, and that will notify you every time I upload a video, which is usually once a week. I'm going to start shooting for twice a week, but we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!